Hi, I'm Jennifer.
I'm Bob.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Hey. So the last damage from this job that we had was 6 feet of water. I'm 5 feet of water. I'm 6 feet tall. And so we had to pretty much demolition the whole entire house. We had to take up the floor and we had to replace some studs. We had to replace all the drywall, all the insulation, and also have mold remediation. So we had to have it treated for mold. The thing that makes Northstar different than anybody else is we worry also not only what's on the outside, but what's on the inside. Before we build anything on the outside, we make sure the inside doesn't have water, doesn't have mold, nothing that can creep outside in the future. So right after the hurricane, I quit my job because I already decided that I wanted to do something to help the community and to help everybody in this area to get their lives back together. And then Northstar reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do home renovations, and I said absolutely. Our reservation services include us going out, giving you an accurate estimate of what needs to be done. And we also help on the side of your insurance. We do have the software to be able to give to your insurance, to try to get reimbursed for as much as you can for the disaster that we've had that's in this area, to help you cope not only with the rebuild and the design, but also on the financial end as well.
Call us today to start your project.
We are located here in Bonita Springs, but we are willing to travel to you.
No job is too big or too small.
Northstar does it all.